Okay, to do multiplication, all you do is multiply the letters by counting and multiply the numbers. So we have an r squared, and we have an x, and we have a t4, and we have a 3 on top, and then on the bottom we have 9t cubed and r. All I do is put them together. Once you have them together, we do our division. 3 goes into 9 3 times. So I have a 3 on the bottom. The r squared goes into the r, so that gives us an r on the top. We have 4 t's and 3, so 4 get canceled with those 3, so we'll have a t on top. And the x doesn't cancel with anything, so it stays on top, and so we have our answer. Now when we look at a problem such as this, we have to factor it first. So I have my a plus 4 on top, and I have my a squared, and then I have to multiply by a. And on the bottom, this factors to a. But two numbers multiply, okay, so that'd be a plus 4 and a minus 2. And so the a plus 4's cancel, and one of the a's cancels, so I'm left with a 1 on top. And on the bottom I have an a, but I have an a plus 2. And so there's my answer after multiplication. So we want to divide. Divide is very simple. All we do is, it's called keep, change, flip, often called KFC. So I'm going to keep, change, flip this first. So for 4, 15, n cubed, I'm going to change to multiplication instead of division. I'm going to flip the 25n over the 12. And now all I'm going to do is cross cancel. I have my n cancels with one of the n's, so I have a 2 now. 4 cancels, makes this a 3. 5 goes in this 3 times, and 5 goes in this 5. And so now when I do my multiplication, 1 times 5 is 5, and then 3 times 3 is 9, and we have 2 n's left over, and so there's my answer. To divide rationals, like I said, we're going to keep, change, flip. So this has a 1, so if I go and I'm going to factor, so I factor this part, I'm going to change to multiplication and flip the 1 over x plus 3. And because the x plus 3 has the same on top and bottom, they cancel. And so what I'm left over with is a 2 over x squared. Same with this problem. I'm going to keep the a minus 2, but I'm going to factor 4, which is a plus 1. And I'm going to flip the a plus 1 to the top and the a plus 5 on the bottom. The a plus 1's cancel. And what we're left with is an a minus 2 over 4 times a plus 5, because those factors don't cancel. There's my answer. So this is the biggest problem that we have. We have a y minus 3, and then I'm going to factor the bottom. So y, my two numbers multiplied give me 16, and add up to a negative 10, which is plus 8. No, actually it's a minus 8 and a minus 2, or y minus 2. I'm going to keep, so I have a y minus 8 on top if I flip it, and this is y plus 3, y minus 3. And now my y minus 3's cancel, my y minus 8's cancel, and so what I'm left with is a 1 on top, and a y minus 2 and a y plus 3. So y minus 2, y minus 3.